Datera brings the software-defined revolution to enterprise storage as the leading 100% software-based data services platform. As the #1 data orchestration software, Datera delivers high-speed block and object storage for containers, VMs, and bare metal across a mix of server nodes and media types. Cloud-ready architecture provides data orchestration, high performance, future-ready choice, and data center awareness. 100% policy-based automation enables predictive operations with no-touch administration. Collective cloud-based machine learning feeds telemetry to the system's analytics engine for continuous data placement and performance optimization. By eliminating common administrative tasks and optimizing the use of storage hardware, Datera saves customers up to 70% off their data infrastructure's total cost of ownership. Reads, writes, replicas, provisioning, data placement, and self-healing are all optimized through automation, eliminating these data management tasks, taking error out of the equation for no-touch operations. Delivering consistent latencies at sub-200 microseconds and millions of IOPS, which increase as capacity and performance are scaled independently, Datera outperforms many traditional storage arrays and all software-defined storage solutions. Advanced automation enables scalability.
It's all about automation. At scale, manual, high-touch administration just doesn't work. And so we put a lot of effort into being able to orchestrate all this software at massive scale. The important differentiators for us are enterprise performance, future-ready choice because you can mix and match hardware as you go, and application-driven orchestration of data across the data center and across multiple data centers and ultimately the cloud. We actually also made sure that we have a very extensible system that can not only orchestrate the data within the system, but also the data center around the system. So we're becoming increasingly aware of the data center itself, and we can adapt to what's happening there. And I would say no one else does that. And this is why customers love us, because it's not just a point solution, it's a comprehensive foundation for the software-defined data center.
Datera is the only 100% software platform for data services able to handle Tier 0 and Tier 1 storage for both high-performance and high-capacity application workloads. Continuous availability replaces the idea of high availability with Datera. Business continuity requires more than an assurance that no data be lost, but that data be continuously available throughout common operational tasks. The policy-based automation and machine learning of Datera make that possible. Datera is the ideal storage solution for enterprises that are modernizing their data center, moving to a software-defined architecture, implementing containers and VMs, or managing 20 terabytes or more of block and object storage with a need to simplify and eliminate silos. Online enterprises and cloud service providers use Datera as underlying architecture to provide data services to customers. Businesses with SaaS-based applications as part of their business model also benefit greatly from Datera.
What we did in Datera is we created an environment targeted for DevOps, where they said, I'm going to program the storage. I'm not going to manage the storage. When an application comes into my environment, I'm going to programmatically create storage for that application. I'm going to tune the storage for that application, and I'm going to run that application till I get new information, and then I'm going to alter the storage for that application on the fly to create the optimal storage for that environment. When a customer wants to make a change, right, they don't have to go to a GUI and make, let's change all these parameters on all these volumes, that sort of thing. The only thing they need to do is change the policy. Say, I need more performance, I need more capacity, I need better resiliency. One policy change, the system autonomously, non-disruptively takes care of all that for you. That's what we call continuous availability.
Datera's policy-based, application-driven data services platform enables customers to deploy a 9-node storage system in less than 9 minutes. Within 2 minutes, a policy change can be made and implemented. The future policy map is automated to the current policy map, and changes are seen almost instantly. Policies can be applied to applications, tenants, volumes, VMs, or containers from a library and customized as needed. The Datera system automatically moves data to the right nodes and media type to fulfill the intent of the policy map. Continuous feedback from the analytics engine, which monitors infrastructure and performance, lets you know you're getting the results you want. And if the right media is not available to meet your needs, Datera alerts you to add the hardware needed. Make changes on the fly with no disruption of data services. Control latency, performance, replicas, and quality of service without tedious tuning. In today's data centers, a mix of technologies are used to provide organizations with the data services to meet their business needs. Datera provides flexibility and performance in these modern architectures, orchestrating data within physical servers, VMs, and containers with application awareness.
The rate of change is increasing, driven by the developers writing the applications. And so the cost of being wrong has increased. First generation software-defined and traditional storage arrays were built to resist change. At Datera, we not only embrace it, we built a data services platform optimized for constant change. Optimized from the perspective of being able to utilize new server platforms, optimized from the perspective of being able to consume new media, and then using the analytics and the policy engine to pinpoint which applications should be consuming that new media or that new hardware.
Sub 200 microseconds latencies are consistent while providing rich data services and quality of service. An efficient scale-out architecture enables the system to scale up to millions of IOPS. The Datera Data Services platform delivers performance with enterprise-class rich data services, far beyond first-generation software-defined storage. Quality of service, policy-based tiering, and live data migrations are inherent in the system. Live node insertion, failure domains, active-active stretch clustering, and S3 object storage are all available to meet the needs of a vast range of use cases.
Datera, with our programmable infrastructure, our ability to dynamically provision and shrink and change the policies, all of those sort of things, allows customers to achieve that cloud-like approach, but with an on-prem solution.
Datera cultivates a vast ecosystem of technologies through data center awareness, enabling customers to choose and mix solutions with application-driven data orchestration. The Datera Data Services platform is delivered in partnership with server partners and system architects for complete storage solutions. Datera can be purchased as software only through our resellers, who can also provide hardware from the server vendor of your choice. Learn more about how Datera brings the software-defined revolution to enterprise storage at datera.io. And contact Datera for a free consultation.